modern and modular kitchen design. The future of kitchen design, integrating smart technology. Look for remote control, energy efficiency, and smart home compatibility. Integrate voice assistants to make daily tasks easier for seamless interaction. Plan your kitchen with interconnected devices for enhanced convenience and efficiency. Consider a smart fridge that tracks groceries and suggests recipes, reducing waste and simplifying meal planning. Invest in appliances with remote monitoring and control, ideal for busy individuals to manage cooking while away from home. Minimalist modern kitchens, less is more. Use drawer dividers and shelf risers to keep your kitchen neat and functional. Choose multifunctional appliances to save space and reduce clutter. Opt for clean-lined cabinetry with minimal or handleless designs for a sleek, modern look. Use a neutral palette of whites, grays, and earth tones for a timeless, elegant, and inviting kitchen. Use recessed, under-cabinet, and minimalist pendant lights for a clean, cohesive look. Eco-friendly kitchen designs, sustainability at home. Look for Energy Star-rated appliances that consume less power and save on utility bills. Use materials like bamboo, recycled glass, and reclaimed wood for a sustainable and stylish kitchen. Implement composting and recycling bins to minimize waste. Opt for glass or metal containers instead of plastic. Install sensor-activated faucets and water-efficient dishwashers to reduce water consumption. Incorporate reclaimed wood for unique character and choose water-based finishes for easy cleaning and maintenance. Luxury on a budget, affordable modern kitchen design. Choose materials like laminate countertop and ready-to-assemble (RTA) cabinets for a stylish yet affordable kitchen. Use DIY hacks to create a custom backsplash or update old cabinets with fresh paint and new hardware. Research and compare affordable appliances that offer good quality and functionality without breaking the bank. Explore thrift stores and flea markets for affordable, repurposable decor items to achieve a luxurious look. Enhance your kitchen's aesthetic affordably with stylish decor items like potted plants, framed prints, and decorative bowls. Color trends in modern kitchens, beyond white and gray. Experiment with bold colors like black and mustard yellow to make a statement. Create visual interest with contrasting upper and lower cabinets. Consider a dark color for upper cabinets and lighter shade for lower ones. Use unique materials like patterned tiles or metallic accents for a standout backsplash. Keep some part in a bold color or use patterned wallpaper to create a focal point in your kitchen. Choose colorful stove, fridge, or small appliances to add personality and vibrancy to your kitchen. The open concept kitchen, blending living and cooking spaces. Opt for open concept layouts that enhance flow and connectivity between the kitchen and living areas. Use consistent flooring and color schemes to create a cohesive look between spaces. Invest in kitchen islands that offer seating and storage, making them versatile for both cooking and entertaining. Use rugs, lighting, and furniture placement to define different areas within the open concept space. Incorporate soft furnishings, rugs, and acoustic panels to reduce noise in open concept kitchens. Small space, big impact, designing compact modular kitchens. Utilize fold-out tables, pull-out countertop, and wall-mounted racks to maximize space. Choose fixtures that serve multiple functions, like sinks with integrated cutting boards or stovetop with downdraft vents. Opt for slim refrigerator, narrow dishwasher, and small stove to save space without sacrificing functionality. Incorporate some herbs on walls, windowsills, or countertop to add greenery and freshness to your kitchen. Use under cabinet and task lighting to brighten small spaces and make them feel larger. High-tech kitchens, the latest gadgets and innovations. Look for features like touchscreen displays, internal cameras, and Wi-Fi connectivity to enhance convenience. Consider induction cooktops for their efficiency and precise temperature control. Explore robotic arms, automatic faucets, and self-cleaning technologies to simplify kitchen tasks. Integrate voice control for various tasks like setting timers, playing music, or controlling smart appliances. Incorporate built-in charging areas for your devices to keep your kitchen organized and tech-friendly. The art of cabinetry, innovative storage solutions. Maximize space and accessibility with pull-out pantry shelves and deep drawer organizers. Utilize Tokic drawers, secret spice racks, and appliance garages to keep your kitchen clutter-free. Use vertical dividers, pegboards, and hanging systems to organize items efficiently. Optimize corner spaces with lazy Susans or corner drawers for better storage. Install adjustable inserts for drawers and cabinets to tailor storage to your needs. Modern rustic kitchens, a perfect blend of old and new. Incorporate elements like wood beams, stone countertop, and brick accents for a rustic touch. Choose retro-style appliances, farmhouse sink, and antique hardware for a nostalgic feel. Use earthy tones like terracotta, sage green, and warm browns to create a cozy atmosphere. Combine rough and smooth textures, such as wooden countertop with stainless steel appliances, for a dynamic look. Include artisanal items like hand-thrown pottery and woven baskets to add a personal touch. Customizable modular kitchens, personalize your space. Opt for modular kitchen, such as flexibility and ease of installation. Showcase bespoke cabinet, tailored storage solutions, and unique layouts to meet individual needs. Highlight how modular kitchens can be reconfigured and expanded as needed. Offer a range of finishes and materials for a custom look that reflects personal style. Emphasize the ability to swap out parts for a new style without a complete overhaul. Maximizing natural light, bright and airy kitchen designs. Strategically place windows to maximize natural light and enhance the kitchen's ambience. Use glass, mirror, and glossy finishes to reflect light and brighten the space. Choose light and airy color palettes to create a bright and welcoming kitchen. Consider installing skylights or solar tubes to bring more natural light into the kitchen. Use light fabrics for window treatments to allow sunlight while maintaining privacy. The rise of the beverage station, incorporating a beverage area in your kitchen. Showcase various home bar designs, from built-in to portable bars, to inspire viewers. Use bar tools, glassware, and storage solutions for a functional beverage station. Highlight different styles of bar stools and seating arrangements to complement the kitchen design. Create a dedicated area for coffee, tea, and other drinks to enhance convenience and organization. One can go for stylish and functional wine racks and cooler to keep beverages properly stored and accessible. Innovative countertops, materials and designs you haven't seen before. Introduce countertop made from recycled glass, concrete, and quartzite for a distinctive look. Opt for custom-shaped countertops, such as rounded edges and waterfall designs, to inspire creativity. Choose countertop with integrated features like sink and cutting board for added functionality. Highlight materials that withstand high temperatures, making them practical for cooking. Explore surfaces with tactile textures to add visual interest and uniqueness to the kitchen. Clever kitchen islands, more than just extra counter space. Highlight island with built-in sinks, cooktops, and storage to enhance functionality. Show unique island design, such as two-tiered island and curved shapes, to inspire viewer. Feature island with concealed drawers and cabinets for a clean, organized look. Consider various seating arrangements around island, including bar stools and built-in benches, to maximize space. Themed kitchens, from industrial to Scandinavian styles. Use metal accents, exposed brick, and reclaimed wood to achieve a rugged, industrial look. Highlight clean lines, light colors, and functional design for a minimalist, serene kitchen. Showcase bold colors, geometric patterns, and vintage-inspired furniture for a retro vibe. Use light blues, whites, and natural textures to create a beachy, relaxing atmosphere. Incorporate rustic wood, shiplap, and apron sink to create a cozy, inviting kitchen. Integrated appliances, seamless and sleek kitchen designs. Conceal appliances with cabinetry and paneling for a seamless look. Highlight appliances with built-in tech, like under-counter refrigerator and drawer dishwasher, for a sleek appearance. Use of matte and glossy finishes for a modern, unified look. Use appliances installed flush with cabinetry to enhance the kitchen's aesthetic. Add touch-to-open and push-to-open cabinet mechanisms for a streamlined and contemporary feel. The ultimate cooking experience, designing a chef's kitchen at home. High-end stoves, ovens, and refrigerators that provide superior performance. Go for the ideal kitchen triangle and work zones to maximize efficiency and convenience. Highlight durable and stylish materials like stainless steel and granite for a professional look. Introduce powerful range, hoods and ventilation systems to keep the kitchen air clean. Opt for dedicated areas for food preparation and storage to create a functional workspace. Mix and match, combining different styles in one kitchen. Blend different design elements and styles for a unique look. Add techniques for creating a cohesive design by balancing color, texture, and material. Highlight the importance of achieving balance in your kitchen design by thoughtfully combining various elements. Combine elements from different cultural styles to create a unique and personalized kitchen. Use contrasting and complementary colors to add visual interest and depth to your design. Kitchens of the World, International Design Inspirations. Incorporate clean lines, natural materials, and serene aesthetics for a calming kitchen. Highlight warm colors, decorative tiles, and rustic elements for a welcoming, vibrant kitchen. Add elegant cabinetry, vintage fixtures, and charming details that add sophistication and warmth. Feature high-quality materials and artisanal touches that emphasize attention to detail and craftsmanship. Incorporate cozy elements and functional design principles to create a warm, inviting space.